Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to get the blueprint for the storage cache, which you can put stuff in here and it won't be used automatically by your base to craft stuff. So the blueprint for the storage cache is actually in two parts, so I'm going to show you where to find 3 different fragments, just in case this doesn't want to behave and one of them bugs out when you try to scan it. So the first one we're going to go to is by the old habitat. If you know where that is, it's just to the south, next to the hydroelectric turbine where the jet stream or the underwater current ejects you. We're going to head to the north, sort of to 15 on our compass. And we want to look for the angel comb here that gives us the digestion adaptation so that we can eat the local wildlife. Now, as we get past here, there will be a little current just below us here that will take us all the way to the rest of the way to the old habitat. So just ride this current, and right when it kicks us out, right here where these lights are, is the first fragment. It's just hanging out right here on the shore, and we can give that bad boy a scan, and that's fragment number 1. And if you're curious what the coordinates are, I will put them up on the screen right now. So after you've gathered up this first fragment, we're actually going to hang an immediate right, and you see there's this cave here. We're going to scoot right through here, and fragment number 2 is going to be just on the other side here, kind of off to our right as we swoop back towards the south. And then here on this platform is going to be fragment number 2. You can give that a scan, and if everything goes correctly, it should be available and ready for you to build once you scan number 2. And it's relatively inexpensive. The storage cache is literally just 1 titanium. It's not as good for the storage space as, say, like the floor locker, but it is on par with the wall locker. However, it will not allow you to pull resources automatically out of it when crafting. Now, the backup fragment, in case one of the other 2 boxes didn't let you scan it, is going to be to the southwest, on the other side of the giant hole that you get shot out of when you first start the game. So if you just cruise straight to the southwest from the Lifepod, what we're looking for is a giant downed wreck over here. It's sort of off to my left, closer to 210 than to the southwest, but you get the idea. So we want to zip over to this wreckage right here. I don't remember if you need a repair tool to get in here, but in case you do, my apologies. But inside of here, past this other door, way back in here, there is a storage cache right here that you can go ahead and scan. This one also has some batteries in it, so you can get some free goodies as well as a fragment scan if you need it. You can also scan this, and that should be your second if you didn't get the other 2 working, and you should be able to build the storage cache. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you found this helpful for finding how to build the storage cache. And until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye, everybody.